Yo, YouTube, we back. Sorry I haven't recorded in a while. I've been busy, on the low, putting things in process, you know. Doing a video today for you guys, little informational video. But first, I gotta get some stuff. First of all, I gotta get a marker board. If I'm gonna do any informational videos, I gotta get a marker board, right? Like, it's just not a real informational video without one, I guess, you know? Like, if you don't have a whiteboard, then you're just faking. But yeah, hopefully I can find the best marker board on the market, okay? Yo, so I went in there for a marker board and I got tie-dye kits. Oh my god, colors. What else? Oh, I just couldn't resist. Ugh. I'm just kidding. I got the whiteboard. You know what it is. It's the best whiteboard ever. This is like top of the market. It was like #1 seller. So your boy copped it. Just got back home. And I suck at intros. I'm so bad. Anyways, guys, today, Saturday, 4/21/18. I'm about to do a video on reading nutritional labels. Reading nutritional labels does come in handy. So we're gonna get it. Just got to the crib. That's 100% pure gains. 100% organic too. Also, for those of you that are J. Cole fans, I know you hear it, but this is the album I've been banging for the last few days.
Clean smoke trip. When I'm in your town, press pound, hit me up. When I'm in your town, press pound, hit me up. Only if you down and you slurp good D up. If the work good, I'll be back for the re-up. Hate when I creep in the phone, wake me up. Hate when I creep in the phone, wake me up.
Love J. Cole. Comment below what you're listening to though, because I like to listen to all kinds of stuff. So, you know, give me some other stuff to check out, you know, help me out. While I was talking to the camera, you can't see, I was talking to the camera and I wasn't paying any attention. But I totally locked my keys in there. Oh, this is why I don't vlog, guys. That's why I don't vlog. Luckily, having a CRX has its perks. Like breaking into it very easily. Anyways, sorry guys, I'm good. We're good. Alright guys, so I actually got caught up and I got a little bit busy. Today is actually Monday. I started the video Saturday, but you know, I mean, I'm here, I'm ready to go. We're gonna finish this video. Okay, so yeah. Can you see that? Damn, you definitely can't see that. Okay, well. Okay guys, so the magic marker board, the best one on the market that you saw earlier. I wish you could read it. I didn't realize it was gonna be. Anyways, I'm gonna read these off for you. Okay. Alright, nutritional labels. You want to start from the top with the serving size and the number of servings per container. Number 2, next look at the total calories and the calories from fat. So in general, 40 calories is considered low, 100 is moderate, and 400 or more is considered high. The footnote at the bottom of the label reminds consumers that all percentage daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. I think that is like super important. I was 180 and then I leaned out and I was on like a 2,300 calorie diet, and that's me like cutting weight. I lost like 25 pounds and I'm 5'7", and I mean right now I'm sitting at 157 pounds pretty comfortably for the most part. You just have to take that into consideration, because if you're like 6'2" and you weigh 210 pounds, say you're skinny and you weigh 210 pounds, like your diet is gonna be a lot more than 2,000 calories. Or if you're a lot smaller person and you know 2,000 may be too many, 2,000 might be too many calories for you. So you just keep this in mind when reading nutritional labels, that they go off a 2,000 total calorie diet. Another note, the ingredient list is in decreasing order of substance weight in the product. First ingredient is the most abundant. I didn't know this. Avoid sugar, avoid high fructose corn syrup, bleached flour, or partially hydrogenated oil. Sorry, I messed that up. Those are like the main things that I really thought were important when reading nutritional labels. Another thing that I want to go over real quick. Hold on. Protein is going to be 4 calories per gram. Carbs are going to be the same. Fat is going to be 9 calories per gram, just like the magic whiteboard says. Protein's 4, carbs are 4 calories per gram, and fat is 9 calories per gram. With that knowledge, you can look at any nutritional label and say, for example, the Good and Plenty's. We'll look at these real quick. Total calories per serving, 110. Okay, there's 110 calories. There are 27 grams of carbs per serving. So I can't do math in my head because I'm just not that ballin'. But if we do this, let's see. So that's 108. Hold on, I better check my math. I'm not in college, so I better check this real quick. 108. So per serving, out of 110 calories, 108 of those calories come from carbs. So yeah, there's cats everywhere around here. That, I feel like that really is what will help you when reading nutritional labels, is you need to look at servings and serving size first, and then the total calories. And then from there you can look at the macros, the protein, the carbs, the fats, and really figure out how many of those calories are coming from those macros, and really figure out if your meal or your snack or whatever it is really actually good for you. Determining, based on like your personal goals. I mean, we can honestly talk about nutritional labels and vitamins and minerals and fiber and all this stuff all day. Personally, depending on your goals, you want things moderately low in fats. Depending on what fats, you definitely want to make sure that you're low in saturated and trans fats. If you look at a label and it says saturated fats, trans fats, which is the 2 fats that are like a decrease in your cardiovascular health, those are the 2 fats, and you want to stay away from those. One little thing, by the way, on trans fats, this fat starts out as a liquid unsaturated fat, but then food manufacturers add some hydrogen to it, turning it into a solid saturated fat. That is what partially hydrogenated partially hydrogenated means. They do this to increase the shelf life of the product. But in the body, the trans fat damages the blood vessels and contributes to increasing blood cholesterol and the risk of heart disease. So make sure your foods are low in trans and saturated fats. I might do another video like more in depth to like reading nutritional labels, but I feel like that really gives you a good idea. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab something out of my kitchen and we're gonna read the label together and kind of translate and help you guys understand. Cheerios, baby! Alright, so we're gonna look at this label together. I said start from the top with serving size and number of servings per container. So, it says serving size, 3/4 cup, about 28 grams. Serving per container, 21 servings. Okay, so with that being said, not even a full cup of this cereal is 1 serving. Okay, so most likely, I mean, you don't gotta lie to kick it. Like, if you're eating cereal, you're probably eating like 3 servings. Let's be completely honest, and let's say we're eating 3 servings, okay? Calories. And it also has like with 1 cup of skim milk. So just so you guys know, like with skim milk, total calories are 150. And I mean, most likely, I mean, you guys might be drinking skim milk, but I mean, when I was eating or drinking milk back in the day, because I don't drink milk anymore, I was drinking 2%, so there's even more calories there. So the total number of calories is 110 per serving. So if we're eating, let's say we're eating 3 servings, so we're eating 330 calories. So let's go to fat. Looks like we got 1.5 grams of fat, 2% of the daily value. That's very low, and it looks like the fats we have are polyunsaturated and monounsaturated, which are both good fats. So we got 1.5 grams, right? We're eating 3 servings, so 4.5 grams of fat. 40.5 total calories out of the 3 servings that we're eating. So that's fairly low. That's very good. I would say for cereal, very good, very reasonable. Let's go down to carbohydrates. We got 22 grams. And then we got 2 grams of fiber and then 12 grams of other carbohydrate. We usually subtract fiber from the total carbs because it's fiber and it goes right through you. Let's subtract the fiber from the total. That gives us 20 grams of carbs, right? We're eating 3 servings, so that's 60 grams of carbs total. So 240 of the total calories are from carbs. So that's out of 330 total, that is pretty heavy in carbs, which is normal for any cereal. I mean, you're gonna be lucky to find low carb cereals. Down to proteins, we got 2 grams. So we're eating 3 servings, right? So that's 6. 6 grams of protein, which comes to 24 total calories out of the 330. So that's very low in fat, low in protein, high in carbohydrates. Let's go back over the label real quick, and we'll go up to sodium, 125 milligrams, 5% of the daily value. So that's very, very low, very reasonable, very good. Potassium is 123% of the day's total value, so that is kind of insignificant. And then you got like all your vitamins down there, which, you know, goes off a 2,000 calorie diet, remember that. But, you know, very reasonable. So, like I said, ingredient list is in decreasing order of substance weight in the product. So the first ingredient is the most abundant. So, the most abundant ingredient in here is whole grain oats, sugar, and cornstarch. So you got whole grains, but you also got sugars. But that's gonna be this, you know, that's how any cereal is gonna be. Yeah, that's how you read a nutritional label. I think one of the most important things really when reading a nutritional label is being able to understand that, like with the cereal, it's 3/4 cup is 1 serving. I just farted, excuse me. But 3/4 cup is 1 serving, and there's 21 servings per box. And I really think that can, you know, help you moderate things. Because when you're trying to lose weight and you're trying to cut foods, moderation is key. As Americans, like, we don't understand that 3/4 cup is 1 serving. You know, most of the time, like 3 is even low. I'll tell you right now, excuse me, if I'm gonna eat a bowl of cereal, I'm most likely gonna eat like 4 or 5 servings because I'm gonna fill the whole bowl up. Go home and grab 3/4 cup and scoop that out and be like, okay, yeah, that's gonna feed my 4-year-old child. 25 pieces per serving. There's about 6 servings in here. So a lot of times, like when you get candy or something like that, that's how it's gonna be. It's gonna say like 3 pieces is a serving or 4 pieces is a serving, and there's like 6 or 10 servings in there. And I mean, like if you go to the movies and you get that candy, you're gonna eat the whole box. So like this one, 25 pieces in 1 serving, there's 110 calories in that 1 serving. So if I eat the whole box, which is 6 servings apparently, what is that, 660 calories? Yeah, I can do math in my head, duh. 660 calories, and this is like just empty, wasted calories. This isn't, I mean, yeah, I'm getting carbs, but not the kind of carbs that I really want to get. Just be aware of that. If you guys want me to do like a more in-depth, like over like vitamins and minerals and all that stuff, like I'll do that for you guys, no problem. But I hope this is like a very like intro, kind of gives you an idea so you can like be aware of how to moderate things, how to read labels, how to kind of translate them a little bit. And yeah, because summer's around the corner and we're all trying to get lean. So anyways, guys, I hope that helps you. I hope this video doesn't suck. I'm trying to get better at the shows, the Good Muscle shows, the vlogs, everything. Comment below, tell me what you think. And I appreciate all you tuning in. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget, Good Muscle shirts. These gray and gold ones are actually stocked up online at thegoodmuscle.com. So if you guys want the gray and gold, make sure to cop it at thegoodmuscle.com and make sure to wear it and understand that you're representing positivity, love, and gains, baby. Let's go. Peace out.
The pain, sip, lean, smoke, tree up. When I'm in your town, press pound, hit me up. When I'm in your town, press pound, hit me up. Only if you down and you slurp good D up. If the work good, I'll be back for the re-up. Hate when I creep in the phone, wake me up.